Karachi, the city of lights, you must have seen all over. Then it was Karachi, the cricket city, the Karachi gateway to Pakistan, and so many. So the most important sense and all the history of Karachi which has been to was Karachi an epitome of resilience. So what I meant by Karachi an epitome of resilience. So I had described it in my Twitter account. So ladies and gentlemen, when we talk about resilience, so it is basically, if we go far and how much back in the history can we go? I can go back as far as the city of Troy, we have all read the histories, or I can go as far as if the Turkish diplomats about the siege of London, the fall of Berlin, what happened to Paris, and all those cities that we read about the histories of World War I and World War II, and now we go there, and what cities they are right now. That reminds me about 3 weeks ago, I had narrated it to many people that I went to Fair Hall and I wanted to just clean it. I had no intentions of doing any